After we had temperatures up in the 50s yesterday, it was a lot colder today and very windy. We are still seeing some power outages across the state, with about 12,000 still without power at this hour.
22 News Storm Team meteorologist Adam Stremko is working for you with how the strong winds caused some damage across parts of western Massachusetts.
Well, Nick and Ciara, high wind warnings and wind advisories remain in effect for the strong winds that have caused some damage and have led to some power outages. If you spent any time outside Friday, then you know just how strong the wind was blowing. Wind gusts of 40 to 60 miles per hour were reported across western Massachusetts. A wind gust of 60 miles per hour was reported in Pittsfield and North Adams. A 55 mile per hour wind gust was reported in Chicopee, and a 52 mile per hour wind gust was reported in Westfield. If it was your trash day, then your garbage bins probably ended up on their side or even down the street. If you were driving on the highway, you needed to have both hands on the steering wheel due to the strong gusts. The strong wind also caused some trees and power lines to come down as well. Tree and utility crews were kept busy today, cleaning up the damage and restoring power. On Hall Street in Agawam, a tree came down on some power lines, and on a Moore Road in Springfield, the wind knocked down a tree and a utility pole that crashed down on a car.